Every one of us in the world is unique. You are one of a kind. Your thoughts, your eyes, your smile. Your style is your own. Your thoughts are your thoughts. You're special without having to prove it. Why then do you use a perfume with someone else's name on it? A fragrance stays with you for 24 hours. Nothing is closer to your skin. It expresses your mood. It is the trace you leave behind. It reminds you of private moments. It is your personal statement. It is what makes you what you are. It's unmistakable, which is why it should reflect your spirit, show your temperament, and bear your name. Create a unique perfume for a unique person. Blue Box, the perfume secret.